Hello, little artists! Welcome back to our fun drawing time. Today, we are going to draw a super cute, colorful parrot together. This parrot has a bright red body, a big yellow beak, colorful wings, and happy little feet. It looks friendly, playful, and ready to say hello. Before we begin, make sure you have your paper, pencil, eraser, and coloring tools ready. You can use crayons, markers, or colored pencils. And remember, your drawing does not have to be perfect. Every line you draw is part of your own special artwork. So take your time, relax your hand, and let's have fun drawing together. Let's start at the top of our parrot. We are going to draw the little feathers on its head. Near the upper left side of your paper, draw a soft, curved feather shape. Make it look like a little swoosh pointing upward. Then draw another rounded feather underneath it, and one more small feather below that. These feathers should look like cute little waves or soft leaves sticking out from the back of the parrot's head. Great job! These little feathers make our parrot look playful and cheerful, almost like it just woke up and is ready for a fun day. Now let's draw the big shape of the parrot's head and back body. Starting near the head feathers, draw a large, smooth, curved line going up and around. This curve will become the top of the parrot's head. Keep going around gently, like you were drawing a big, soft hill. Then bring the line down toward the back of the body. The parrot's body is nice and round, so don't make sharp corners. Let your pencil move slowly and smoothly. Imagine you were drawing a fluffy balloon shape. Now bring the line down along the back and curve it toward the bottom. This will help us create the back side of the parrot's body. Wonderful! We already have the head and back body outlined. Our little parrot is starting to appear. Now let's draw the parrot's big beak. On the front side of the head, draw a large, rounded beak shape. Start near the face and curve outward, like you are drawing a soft oval that points slightly forward. Then bring the line back toward the head. The beak should be big and cute because parrots are famous for their bright, strong beaks. But our parrot is friendly, so make the beak rounded and gentle. Inside the beak, draw a small curved smile line. This makes our parrot look happy and sweet. Nice work! Now the parrot looks like it is smiling at us. Next, let's draw the parrot's big eye. Inside the head, near the beak, draw a large circle. This will be the parrot's eye. Make the circle big because cute cartoon animals often have big, bright eyes. Inside that circle, draw another smaller circle for the pupil. Then add a tiny white shine circle near the top of the pupil. This little shine makes the eye look glossy and full of life. You can color the pupil black later, but leave the tiny shine spot white. Amazing! Now our parrot can see us. Let's go back to the beak and add a little more detail. Near the top of the beak, draw a tiny oval or small dot. This will be the parrot's nostril. Then check the smile line on the beak. If you want, make it a little longer and smoother, so it looks like the parrot is saying, "Hello, little artist." Great job! Small details like this make the character feel more alive. Now let's add more detail to the eye. Make the black pupil nice and round. Keep the little shine spot white so the eye looks bright and sparkly. If you want your parrot to look extra cute, you can make the pupil large and shiny. Take your time with this part. The eye is very important because it gives our parrot its sweet personality. Wonderful! Our parrot looks happy, curious, and friendly. Now let's draw the circle around the eye. Around the big eye, draw a larger round circle. This circle goes around the eye like a soft eye patch or eye ring. Try to keep it smooth and round. It does not have to be perfect. A slightly wobbly circle is totally okay. That makes your drawing special and handmade. Nice! This eye ring makes the parrot look even more like the character we are drawing. Now we are going to finish the front of the body. Starting under the beak, draw a smooth, curved line going down. This line will become the parrot's chest and belly. Make it nice and round, like a soft pear shape. Continue the curve down to the bottom of the body. Then gently curve it toward the back so the body looks full and plump. Our parrot should look soft, round, and friendly. Not too skinny, not too sharp, just cute and cuddly. Excellent work! The body shape is now complete. Now let's draw the wing. On the side of the body, draw a rounded wing shape. It should look like a soft oval or a big leaf sitting on the parrot's side. Inside the wing, draw a wavy pattern. Start near the top of the wing and draw small rounded waves, like little bumps or cloud shapes. These will become the top row of feathers. Under that, draw another row of wavy bumps. These will be the middle feathers. Then at the bottom of the wing, draw a few long curved feather lines going downward. These lines make the wing look layered and feathery. Beautiful! The wing looks soft and decorative. Later, we will color it blue and green.
Now let's draw the tail feathers. At the back lower part of the body, draw long, rounded feather shapes going down and to the left. Draw one long feather first, then another one beside it, and another one if you have space. Each tail feather should have a rounded end, not a sharp point. Make them look smooth and soft, like long red petals. The tail feathers help our parrot balance and make the drawing look more fun. Fantastic! Our parrot now has a beautiful tail. Now let's draw the legs and feet. Under the body, draw two short little legs. They should be simple and cute. At the bottom of each leg, draw rounded toes. You can draw 3 little toes on each foot, spreading out gently. Make the toes look like soft cartoon shapes. The feet do not need to be too detailed. Just keep them round and playful. Great job! Now our parrot is standing proudly on its little feet. Now it is time to color. Let's start with the beak and legs. Choose a bright yellow color. Carefully color the beak yellow. Try to stay inside the lines, but don't worry if you go outside a little. Drawing is all about practicing and having fun. Now color both legs and feet yellow too. Wow! The yellow makes the parrot look bright and cheerful. Next, choose a bright red color. Color the parrot's head, back, belly, and tail feathers red. Move your crayon or marker slowly so the color looks smooth and beautiful. You can color gently first, then add another layer if you want the red to look stronger. The red body makes our parrot look bold, happy, and full of energy. Excellent coloring! Our parrot is becoming so colorful. Now, let's color the wing. For the top row of the wing feathers, use blue. Carefully color the upper wavy feather section blue. Then use green for the middle row of wing feathers. Fill in the wavy feathers with a bright green color. You can leave the lower feathers white, just like the character, or lightly shade them if you want. But keeping them white makes the blue and green stand out beautifully. Amazing! Now the parrot has a colorful wing, just like a playful tropical bird. And now, little artists, are you ready for a surprise? Let's imagine our finished parrot drawing coming to life. The parrot blinks its big, shiny eye. Blink, blink. Then it tilts its head and gives us a cute little smile. Its yellow beak opens and closes as if it wants to say, hello! The colorful wing gently waves up and down. The red tail feathers wiggle softly, and the little yellow feet do a tiny happy bounce. Wow! Our drawing has turned into a cheerful animated parrot. It looks so happy to meet everyone. Great job, little artists. You worked step by step, from the head feather all the way to the colorful wing and tail. Your parrot is bright, friendly, and full of personality. If you had fun drawing this cute parrot with me, don't forget to subscribe for more fun drawing adventures. We will draw more cute animals, colorful characters, and happy surprises together. Keep your crayons ready, keep your imagination big, and remember, every artist starts with one simple line. Thank you for drawing with me today. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye.